that'll show you which templates you have installed in your dashboard. By default, it comes with two templates, Flexi Store and Smooth Store in version 3. To enable a template, you simply click on Enable Template. Right now, my store is set up with the Flexi Store template, and if I wanted to switch it to the Smooth Store, I would just click Enable Template. And just like that, if I hit refresh on this store, it's now using the other template, Smooth Store. Now within each of these templates, you have a lot of options. So if you will come back up here to Templates and Template Options, you'll see a list of all the options for your chosen template and skin. What we're going to do is click on the Template Options tab on the left, and this lists all the different options you have in this particular template that you can change from within the admin panel, from the dashboard. For example, if you want to change your skin, each of these templates comes with 2 skins. So what you'll do is you can either click on the name of the template's option or on the little edit button here. Clicking this little trash can resets the option to the defaults that it comes with. So for the template skin, I'm going to click on template skin. I'm going to choose this drop down, and I'm going to change this skin to gold skin, for example. I'm going to hit Save Option. Now if I go back to my demo store and I hit refresh, you'll see it changed. Different font, different colors. That's how templates and skins work. These are your categories. If I choose my product listings, this is all my products. And you can see just the simple things like the colors changed and the titles of all the different areas changed. If I want to go back, I'll go back to Change Template and enable the Flexi Store template. Refresh the store, and it's back to the demo. To that default. Now if I go into the Flexi Store template options and I change my skins here, you'll see there's Flexi Store Blue and Flexi Store Red. I'll show you the red as an example so you can see how it changes. Refresh the store, and now it's using that red skin on the Flexi Store template. Very easy to change your templates. Now, at some point as you go along, you're going to probably, hopefully, make your own templates or buy additional templates, and that's how you get around. What I'm going to do here is change my skin back to, I'm just going to change it back to the default with no skin. Hit save. Go back to template options, and I'm just going to go through these quickly. Display Amazon logos, whether or not you want to see the logos on your site. The Amazon logo, which is in this case over here on the left side. You can turn that on or off. Bottom nav links is the footer links on your store. You can add additional ones by going in here. Homepage brand logos. I don't have any brands set up yet with logos here, but they would show up. The graphic or the logo of the brands would show up here, but you have to add those in manually, which we'll cover at another point. And you can go through these one by one yourself. Each one has a description of what it shows you, and it's very simple to modify all these. Homepage banner 1 is, in this case, this area here, banner 1. This is homepage. You're on the homepage of the store. This is banner 1. And this one is banner 2. Banner 1, banner 2. So if I was to change the home banner 1 title, for example, instead of saying special offers, I could have it say great deals. And if I hit save and come back to my store and hit refresh, you'll see that this changes from special offers to great deals. You can change the text, you can change the button text. on each of those. Same thing with all these special offers. If you scroll down for special offers, right here it's listing 4. This one's listing 4 bestsellers and 4 random. If I wanted to change the number of random products that shows up, let's say I change it to 0, and hit OK, and then come back and refresh my store, you see that the random products area is gone. It's not showing any. And that's pretty much how you get around the template options. It's very simple. You just have to know which thing does what, and the best way to do that is to click on something. So for example, show Pinterest button. The Pinterest button, where it tells you here, show or hide the Pinterest pin it button on the product detail page. So if you go to the product detail page of a product, which is viewing a product, you'll see over here you've got a Facebook like button, Twitter button, pin it button, and a Google Plus One button. And you can turn those off here. So if I turn off my Pinterest button and hit save and refresh this page, you'll see that the pin button is gone. And those are the basic options in there. Next I'm going to look at the images area, and under images it has to do with what image is used for parts of your template that are an image. So for example, if you want to change your logo, main logo image, the logo that appears in the header, you click on main logo image, you have your own logo image that you've created, you just click upload and then find the file you want to use, put in any alt text that you may want to use, like demo store. Typically you might want to put for your brand logo the name of your store or your website address. The title, where it links to. In this case it's going to link to where my demo store is, and you would do the same thing typically. And just let's save image. And if you come back to your store and hit refresh, you see it put your logo there. Now obviously you want to use the right size logo and make one that matches the colors and so on of your store, just so you create a consistent theme. And that's it. That's how you add your main logo. Secure payments image is this down here on the bottom. This is your secure payments image. You can make that in your own different image for that. Which logo you want to use for the Amazon logo, which is this here, you can choose a different image. Make your own images up. Same thing with all these, all the different checkout buttons. And if you wanted to put a banner image in place of these banners, these are just text and CSS based things here. You could put an image here that you can click on and take you to a location. So if I look at the banner left, add image, right now it's not an image, it's a text. But if I wanted to, I could put an image there and have it clickable. So I could say, put my image there and make this link into wherever I want it to go. Right now it's set to go to your special offers, but you could have it, for example, be a category or a certain section of your store, or pages, or something about articles. Who knows? You could, whatever you want it to be, you can just put that here. And that's the template options. CSS options. So that covers template options and images. Now we're looking at CSS options. CSS options basically have to do with the coloring and the look of the store that is controlled through CSS. So let's look at, for example, the main background color. If I wanted to change the main background color of my store, right now it's white. You can see here it's white. You can either use the code through a color picker code, or use this tool here to select the color. So right now the background of my store is white. If I wanted to make it a little less white, let's say I wanted to make it more gray, I could either just drag the slider to whatever color I want it to be, or I could choose color in here. Let's say I wanted to make it, I don't know, that color. And that's it. Then hit save. Come back over to my store, refresh, and now that's my background.